Wednesday, July 13, 2016, and this is the Ogbonge television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, and on top of Star Times channel 195. Those when they watch us anywhere inside the world, they're on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live. Now the Ogbonge politics discussion show, as it is hot, we tell you say all the action story where they come on smoke inside the Nigeria, we go drop them down, discuss the matter, give you license to chook mouth inside, and talk and do anything for body so that those who lead us go do waiting. Hear word, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know the alone inside studio. I deal with my brother Wayne Sabu, and I stay concerned with political matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Wednesday morning to our wonderful viewers where they watch us right now. As the hot dog come again, that's a political program where they inform the sunshine of different political activities where they happen for Nigeria. Today, we will carry the matter, enter the House of Rep and the House of Senate. Also talk about what they played out there yesterday for the two different houses, because a lot of action film take place there yesterday, and then the action film, as it take place out there, we will do it, and I will give you now. I will go open our phone lines so that when that time reach for now to also contribute now, we contribute now own quarter to the whole discussion by time we establish. My name never to change. My name is Nkubi, and this is now AS E DEY HOT.
We don't go waste time. We'll go straight into the one who carry come, and this one get to do with what did happen inside the National Assembly of our Obodo, Nigeria. Yesterday, July 12th, they talk say rowdy session for English. Now it happened inside the National Assembly, both for the House of Senate and the House of Representatives. And people talk say this thing now waiting go make us cover our face for shame inside Obodo, Nigeria. Based on say we they talk say we don't enter government of change. Some Nigerians don't carry their biro do plus or minus talk say for the past 1 year and 2 months when we say this government don't enter, it just be like say everything they go zigzag formation. It go front by 10 steps, go back by 1,000 steps. Say the National Assembly when we say their work supposed to be to they carry laws for inside this country where they move things forward. It just be like say that quarrel and fight, now they fight. On top of us here today, we ask questions say what in National Assembly they do SEF based on the things what happened for the House yesterday. The idea now say they talk say they want grant immunity to the presiding officers of the National Assembly, House of Reps, House of Senate, the Speaker, Deputy Speaker, the President, and the Deputy Senate President. Say make them no fit, they check them anyhow based on the way they be for Governor, Deputy Governor, President, and Vice President. And another one can get to do with the one when they talk say if you like say Oga President, you show that don't they go up. Say those when they the legislature, they won't bring the thing down, make them show them say in power no pass their own based on impeachment talk when they go around. People come they ask questions, say this is our National Assembly or under this APC government when we say when they talk about change. Why it be say everything just can't change, turn upside down? Now what will they discuss on top of us? You said go calling to chook mouth inside the arrangement. As
a matter of fact, the two dramas we play for the different houses, they resemble somehow because everything still boiled down on the National Assembly case. For instance, what happened for the House, for Senate, now on top of say okay, say just as Chukwudi talk, the president say on the show say he must don't pass in this thing, and for that reason, say they go do it, they go bring down the muzzle down small, and this one they follow this one. What they lead to this one because of the fact say the Senate President and the Deputy do it in they face court trial over a particular forgery case where they accuse them of, and then if you can also bring them down to the House of Rep, you can also see say at least somehow all these things they connected, and within the House of Rep they also demand say oh look for our Senate President and Deputy to do it to the go court, make them no get that freedom to do it to talk when they're supposed to talk, or probably to say carry out their responsibility when they're supposed to carry out. For that reason, the House of Rep can say, look, say we need to also do it in who actually even bring this now? Now the minority leader, that is Ogali or Ogo, now him bring up this matter, say, look, they're going to also do it in grant immunity clause to the Senate President, the Deputy, the House of Rep Speaker, and also the Deputy. And this one can actually cause the rowdiness we play out for the House of Rep, where that is the majority leader for the House of Rep, Oga Gbajabiamila, come and say, no, say this is not possible. Say it will not work. Say where is it done? Say that they give immunity clause to Speaker or to Senate President and all that. Say this one. Say as long as they did this, I say it no go work. As a result of that, every opposition can take it side. Say it will work, it will not work. It will work, it will not work. Okay, bring it on. Let us bring it on. Make we see the action film. Make we know who involved pass. This is called the pass and the Speaker. That is the guy Yakubu that can look say, hey, you now don't they pass now badly. And they behave like small picking. For that reason, you can't call them to order. Can't say make them look, make the committee within in charge look into that particular matter. And if you can also bring her for the House of that is Senate, that one and that different ball game. but somehow, as I talk earlier, we connect to each other. That why we say, even extend to the point where we say, threat when they enter them, I will slap you. You cannot talk to me this way. I will slap you.
But the question I say this, it be like say this. I'm sorry to say this. I'm sorry to say this, but it be like say this APC government. I will go back to it. It be like this APC government, they no prepare or they no understand what in government be, and it's really very. I go speak English because PG not pass this one. It's really very, very embarrassing. I mean, it's overwhelming, and I'm flabbergasted. Say government when we say over 70% of those who in this government. Now people know the government since 1990. Why it be say confusion don set in for over 1 year now? We don talk say make we move this our country forward, make we see what we fit do. But all this petty quarrel, unity forum, all these ones, they just dey quarrel, they see they fight. So the senator when they the same party, APC, the 30 fellow senator when they APC, they say go. I don't no tell Nigerians.
You know what?
No tell Nigerians.
I don't hear now. You know what they even vex me about this thing. Wetin the senator wey that is Olurare to do, wetin she talk when we say we warrant say you go slap her, abi no go slap her. Okay, look, the only way she talk say look, make na no come just dey give one kind empty threat or one kind small pikin threat. Say we no need that. Say make una order, make na do it, make na call and say to order, make na resolve this matter as senators na be. Na in that the oga Mela take a pass na say you cannot talk to me like that way. The way they talk to others, no fit talk to me that way. The way you come bring the issue of say okay. The issue of say equity or no equity or this thing where a particular senator boom for to make them do it, make them grant women. You go see say even our senators, some of our this thing, you go see say the body language also say they know somehow. I'm not gonna talk say they don't get value for women, but somehow from the way that they react, it shows say. Let me not go any further.
You see, I always talk this thing before say. There's no difference between the PDP and the APC.
We all know that.
You understand? The PDP and the APC are a twiddledum and twiddledee. Whether you like them or not. You see, the only person when people even beat their chest talk say he did different. Now President Muhammadu Buhari. When we say we even go check on ourselves, he can't even be like say the way things they go safe. In this APC government, he can't be like say the APC government. If you even check himself, he be like say the government self. They don't know what they do. In all honesty, the truth be say. Nigerians, because I'm speaking for the Nigerian people as a comrade. Let me speak my speak. You speak your speak.
I'm speaking for the Nigerian people.
Let me speak my speak. You speak your speak.
I will also speak my speak.
As a Nigerian, especially when we say they talk for Nigerians, on top of this show, since May 29, when I don't the say,
they passed away.
Make we go in the way when we say all the promises when we make, all the vow. All they say, okay, we go change Nigeria, we go do this, we go do that, but it just be like say this House of Senate. Under the leadership of the APC, when being supposed they watch from the sidelines before they say, okay, let's do this way. It can't be like say we know even if like say this one, they don't even get the motor, all the tire of the motor, if like this, the thing they no one they even they go
for. No, they happen to the tire, they deflect. Enter where they go pump and they will deflect the tire. Say this car will not move, this bus will not move. We will remain the way we are. As long as you don't want me to drive first, or you don't want me to drive first, you don't want my brother to drive first, we will remain the way we are. If anybody wants to suffer, make them suffer. We don't want to know. Now what will they see?
But wetin dey happen, Nkubi? Wetin dey happen inside this country?
I'm confused myself.
You can't be confused.
I am a Nigerian and I'm confused.
No, you can't be confused.
Chukwudi.
No.
Let me say we don't get people where we say they get the interest of the nation among these people. They get it them day. But then you go see some people where say their own intention to just make sure say they scatter the whole thing. If they're not bringing personal interest there, they go bring and say they want to make their brother be a particular thing there, or probably this their ethnic brother and all that. All these issues taking side. How you go take help? How will it help us? Because for this say under 1 year now, I don't know. We not even count the number of fights we don't play out for both houses. Imagine. Why not just they embarrass us like
under
this?
A government of change, we
never even seen implement one particular strong law. Strong law we go even.
Oga Friday they call us. Oga Friday, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Chukwudi and Chiku. Somebody.
Good morning, Oga Friday.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, Jare.
Please, I don't understand how this section of Nigeria, the hungry, they are killing people for naught now. All the APC government told Nigeria they go do better thing for this country. Now the Nigeria don't sing, country don't tight. Nothing there for this country again. Nigeria, hungry. They are killing people everywhere. Go north. I'm from north. Go north now. Tell people they are crying. Tell people they are crying. Nothing there. Nothing.
Okay, Friday.
Why Nigeria? Why President Muhammadu Buhari they are doing like this? Don't tie the country. See how people they are training. Now see how the situation of this country be now.
Okay, Friday. In fact, we they feel the tone where they talk this thing, and you will say, in fact, now I don't go talk now, but we understand the situation where people they go through right now, and that is why we always get this platform to always at least they sing a like song to our leaders, say, hey, not be waiting we elect now for be this, so we now make promises, and those promises we need to see them because anyway make a note because the kind of things we want to talk anyway.
No, talk am no dey talk say make you anyway. Which one will make you anyway? Well, are you protecting your people?
I am protecting Nigerians. I'm speaking for the
people. Which Nigerian? If you were speaking for Nigerians, say the truth.
I have said the truth a couple of times on this platform.
Which truth have you said?
The truth.
Pipeline truth is in the pipeline. It's under construction. Tell Nigerians the truth. When we get National Assembly, we say we don't even know our left from right. Then what is the difference? Where is the change? See what your Oga Friday talk. People they hungry for this country. These people that they fight.
Caroline is calling us.
Which Caroline they call you? He they call the name of una new government. Everything is line, water line, power line, Caroline, pipeline.
We don't get any Caroline.
Which Caroline you get where they call you? Which Caroline you get when everything is under pipeline? Boy, Fulani S-men under pipeline, everything under pipeline. This National Assembly supposed to every day back to back legislations when go make the country they move forward. Nothing. It just be like say the leadership of the APC they fight with the leadership of the legislature.
We don't get a caller.
Which caller you get? You they use Friday from Ikoyi they escape.
Friday,
welcome to AS E DEY HOT. You will hear it on this show.
Well, nobody go hear anything.
You hear it on this show.
Nobody will hear anything.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Friday from Ikoyi. You will hear you, Jerry.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning.
I beg, no gonna help me ask our president wetin dey happen now.
Yeah.
Wetin dey happen for APC government now?
We say we dey ask the same question on Oga Friday. Because just like say, hey, trust not even there among our leaders, among that is internally trust not there among themselves. So how do you expect make people can't get trust in them now?
Wow, guys, Mona help me ask them. I don't know wetin dey happen.
We dey ask them, and we don't go stop to dey ask them. We go dey play our own role to do it, to dey ask them, and to dey make sure they sing a like song to them, make them they hear.
Okay. Thank
you very much, Oga Friday, for also raising your voice, also adding up your voice to the present situation where they happen for Nigeria. And just as I talk, on this platform, this is the only platform where we say, hey, when they see issue the way it be, that's how we go take presenter. We no go talk say with a hot matter or say with a hide matter. We go give now, we be Nigerians, our people, our viewers, the way we take them. So at least now office also bring their own sense of judgment into them. Also know the direction where the government or the people they go.
Which direction?
Why be saying anything?
No, we go bring the issue. But we see which direction.
The same direction where our House of Rep and Senate they go right now.
The same direction.
Where we not be defined.
The same direction where we never see for Fulani S-men. The same direction we never see for fuel price. The same direction we never see for anything.
We have a caller.
Direction, people. Compass.
We have a caller.
All progressive compass.
You don't do it.
Direction.
Good morning. We have a caller.
Hey, good morning. No.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We hear you.
This APC not be party at all. We don't know the kind of party will be this.
Hey, Chukwemeka, now your own view be that.
I tell you, Kai, which one like this? See, no war, nothing they move, everything just stand still. Now, which kind say they fight corruption? Which kind of corruption they fight be that? Okay, they fight corruption. Only one side they fight corruption. APC, so all APC members are sent. Okay, now APC they are sent. Now see what they are doing in the House of Assembly. Look at what they are doing. They're just disgracing people. Okay, Fulani herdsmen are dealing with people. Nobody's talking about it. All these important things that are supposed to talk, they're not talking about it. They don't forget it. Just be talking change. I didn't. Sometimes I even look at what I like what Mori Bruce talk. He said we didn't hear it when it's change. We are saying change because things are annoying. Nothing is moving. Dollar how much? If you go to market now, if you buy something. 1 naira today, tomorrow you get it 10 naira, 100% increment. This is too much. See NEPA, there's no life. They are saying that going to increase money again. Everything increment. You don't want the poor men die finish before they will start doing the work. The change they are changing. Please, make us talk to that, our president. Make us help me.
We don't hear you. Thank you very, very much.
Are you sure you have heard him? Are you sure?
I've heard him.
Are you sure?
We've heard him. You and I have heard him.
Talk to your people.
We have Joseph. Joseph
talk
is calling
to your people.
Okay. Make a collect call from Joseph now. Respect yourself.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
I greet you well.
Good morning. We greet you too.
Morning, no.
Yes.
You they ask what internet they do say. You know, if your house is in the fire, you go try to quench the house now. Abi?
Okay,
if
yes.
You are facing battle, somebody is coming to fight you. What you go do? You go defend yourself. So, in as much as I am not supporting immunity, but the way the executive arm is turning the National Assembly to especially the Senate to be a battleground. It's better. That is why I'm now in support of them, so that they will have immunity, so that they can concentrate with their work. My joy today is that Buhari is the president. If not, tomorrow now they will refer to him as the best president Nigeria never had. So we are watching. Let's see what he's going to do. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Joseph. Oga Joseph don't talk well. He don't talk well. Everybody just they observe. People do it. They observe. We are seeing it. We are seeing it.
We have another caller.
We have another caller.
More collect call.
Collect call now. Collect it. With the bag of rice.
Who they call us? Good morning.
With the fine bag of rice.
Oga Wale from Magodo.
Magodo. Which one be Magodo? Even pronunciation again. You don't even go hard.
You don't do.
Magodo.
You don't do.
No, Magodo.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Wale from the Magodo. They ask
God
to.
will bless all of us.
Thank you very much. Make you bless the person they talk to first. So.
You see all these Nigerian people, Like Nigerian, they fool themselves.
How?
You see, you allow all these politicians, they fool now. All these politicians are fools.
Oh, no.
Fools, every one of them.
Oga Wale.
They eat 3 square meals for their house. They buy free food, free everything. They don't even know the bloody things they happen for Nigeria. These guys are fools. Imagine they're out of assembly, they talk all sort of nonsense. They want Saraki, want this one, want that one. All these people now are fool when they be. Now people
Oga Wale, don't do, I beg.
Oga Wale, if this language when they use the thing, they very strong. We know say the thing they pay you, but you know say on top of AS E DEY HOT. Even though we dey talk and the way the thing be, we dey try look say maybe people dey exercise caution and restraint. We appreciate this talk where you talk, but the one where you talk say call them some kind name. And that one I will not agree for at all. But you don't talk your mind. We get Oga Michael. Oga Michael they call us all the way from Pt.1. Oga Michael, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning.
Good morning, Michael.
I greet you, Nkubi and
Chukwudi, yes.
Could be rather name.
We greet you too.
The change where they talk, Nigeria we don't civilize past when they deceive us. It's just that people do not know the meaning of change where they are telling us before. What they are telling us is they are changing us. And what we are seeing today is not what we expect from them. The government is not helping the masses. If you go to the market today, the poor masses are crying. And Nigeria, we are engaged right now. I will say we are engaged because the government we expect to them to help the poor masses. They have decided to make sure that the poor masses go back to hell. Yeah, the government should do something about this country, and if they don't do it early, the time is coming when these people that are pushing the poor masses to the wall, and when the poor masses retaliate, the rich men will cry. And that is one thing I want to say, that people should advise the government to help us. And when they help us, the poor masses also will help them. But if they are doing it to frustrate us, we will frustrate them.
Oga Michael, thank you very much for this, your important contribution. From Pt.1, we will enter Warri for Delta State. Collect this call from Oga, God bless. Oga, God bless. Good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
My brother, good morning, Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Good morning, God bless.
God go bless you now well for this program.
Thank you. Will they hear you? Continue.
These people, they tell us every day, say, now change. We change. Now shame, they shame us, or will they shame them now? Every day change. Now they don't shame us. Then they call they shame themselves. Let they allow the National Assembly to work. They get their own. Spiritually get their own. National Assembly get their own. Leave each other to work. Every day, you put touch like National Assembly. Make them push torchlight for our body. Eh? Make Buhari leave National Assembly alone and let them do their work. We voted them to do work for us. They fear oversight functions. They fear oversight functions. I mean, they behave like this. They can't cripple the National Assembly. They only cripple the government. My brother, worry man, they say, she don't look na dog name. So Mokuna let them know. Thank you.
True. Okay, God bless. Thank you very much for this your important contribution. From Wari, we'll go enter inside Owerri. Collect this call from Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Thank you, and thank you, gentlemen.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
My brother, this APC government, you don't tire person, you don't tire person well, after they tell you. So look at this angle now. You see, fight, if you fight, you know they know they look first for fight. You fight with whatever thing you have. The AGF, maybe this time you take the Dutch Senate. There was a time court asked them to appear. You know, appear. And this man will be the chief law officer of the country. We're supposed to be an example for others to emulate. Senate don't invite him 2 times. You know, appear. What does that mean? It means neglect. Probably not because he doesn't want. Maybe somebody don't tell him, make him no go. Don't mind those boys. And it's too painful. Look at the House of Reps yesterday. Everywhere was rowdy. Senate rowdy. On the matter of immunity, where House of Reps they talk. My brother, let me be very frank with you. The people that drafted this constitution we are using now, and says that once you are a governor or a president or deputy or vice president of this country, you are supposed to be protected from unnecessary prosecution. It does not mean that once you leave office, you will not be prosecuted. But that office is to, that's a clause, is to protect you at the time you are handling national interest. That is the reason why you should be protected, so that after you must have leave office, you'll be prosecuted. And now, putting it to the Senate now, it's proper. Look at this unwarranted. Okay, let me ask you, had it been Saraki and the Ekpeman did not match as Senate and Vice Senate President, would this prosecution have been there?
Obviously, no. That one, we know that one.
No. So that should need to be protected. And let me also tell you that what they are saying is not for the present occupants of that position. It's for subsequent people. They're not saying that Saraki now should have the immunity. No. They are saying once they leave office, people who will now come and succeed them will be protected against this unwarranted and unsolicited prosecution. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much for your important contribution. From everything when different Nigerians don't talk, it's very, very evident. Say people know they're happy with the way we say the government, both the legislature and the executive they behave. Because a lot of Nigerians they go through a lot and they be like say things no they happen. We get Oga Richard, they call us all the way from Abulegba. Oga Patricia, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
I got a mixed person name like that. Which kind?
No be mixed. Patricia na woman. Richard na man.
Why you call the call Patricia?
I don't mix them. I make mistake.
Oh yeah, make we at the blast say we don't miss that call. Make we do it. Make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, the matter continues.
Magodo.
You don't do you.
Magodo.
I can decide.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.